Okay guys, welcome back to Small Mining Channel. I hope all of you are doing good nowadays. So in this video, I'm going to set the flight sheet and overclock for my 8 GPU rig to be ready to be mining Flux. So basically I am going to be mining Flux on minerpool.org. So as you can see here, I already created my Flux flight sheet. If you notice here, I am using two miner software. This is because one of my GPUs are AMD, which is RX 6600, this one, and basically the RX 6600 is going to be on Gminer, and the rest of my NVIDIA GPUs are going to be mining on Mini Z, which is currently the best miner software to mine on Zellhash algorithm compared to the rest. That is as far as I know. So I am going to be using hobbyist miner community flux overclock as a reference to overclock all of my GPU. So as you can see here, I highlighted the overclock that I'm going to be referring since I have 1660 Super and 3060. I have two of them. And for the Palit and for the RTX 3070, here is the list of overclock. And for the RX 6600, I'm going to overclock it manually. So without wasting any time, I'm going to spend some time to overclock my card. See you in a minute. So after spending around half an hour overclocking my rig, and here is my result. This is the overclock setting that I'm going to be using. I already tested it one by one. So let's start the miner and see what kind of hash rate and power are we going to be utilizing. So here, just set this flight sheet. This is the flight sheet that I already created on minerpool.org and minerpool.org. So let's click start. And let's go to the Hive shell. Then type miner to see our software on Hive OS. Let's see how much hash rate do we can get from my rig. So it has started to mine Flux now. So as you notice here, my RTX 3060 is not doing 40 sol, and this is because I set the clock to 1650, which is it's locking the clock and locking the power usage to somewhere around 115 and 117 watt on software. So it is not currently using its full potential to mine Flux, and this is because it is sharing the same or one 6-pin to dual 8-pin with the 1660 Super. Why am I doing that? It's because I am not comfortable enough to push more power on the RTX 3060, and the reason is because the cable limitation and the power rating. Let's just say it is for a safety purposes. I don't want to burn my graphic card or my cable. since I'm far away from my GPU rig currently. So I'm going to let it mine around 1 hour, and we will be back and see the result if it's stable enough. So it has been mining for an hour, more than 1 hour actually, and I think it is looking stable enough. So around 44, wait a minute, around 262 souls at a kilowatt for the power. So let's insert this value to what to mine and see how much can we get for a day. So the value of the flux is 262.1 and our power is 1.28. So this is my rating for my electrical, my cost power. So let's click calculate. So here flux, as you can see here, average 24 hour. Let's change this to average last 7 days. So with my hash rate for my flux, for a day I can get around 4.8 flux, and the before minus the cost, power cost, I can get around $6.67 per day, and after power I get around 3.46 US dollar. So yeah, so that's all for me today, and yeah, I'm quite excited for the hash rate migration test that is lead by Sot, son of a tech. Shout out to him. So yeah, thank you for watching this video and stay safe, and yeah, goodbye. Bye bye.